I do not feel very well today. My head feels heavy and I have very little energy.
You do not seem like yourself this morning. Are you feeling sick? Please drink some water first. It may help you feel a little better.
My throat feels dry and my head hurts a little. I think I may need some medicine.
Let's visit the pharmacy and ask for advice. You should not ignore your symptoms.
I still feel a little tired this morning, but I am glad we are going to get some help.
There is no need to hurry. We can take our time and walk comfortably.
I hope the pharmacist can recommend the right medicine. I would like to feel better soon. There are many different medicines here. I think it is best to ask a professional for advice. Good morning. How can I help you today? My head feels heavy and my throat feels dry. I have also felt tired since this morning.
Have you had a fever or a cough today? And when did these symptoms begin?
I do not have a fever, but my throat has felt uncomfortable since early this morning. This medicine may help soothe your throat and reduce discomfort. I believe it will help you feel better soon. Please take 1 tablet after breakfast and 1 tablet after dinner. Be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Thank you for helping me today. I hope this medicine helps me feel better soon. I am glad we visited the pharmacy today. I already feel more relaxed.
Please.
I am happy that we found the right medicine today.
I will follow the instructions carefully and get plenty.
My throat feels much better now. And I have more energy than before. Today we learned useful pharmacy and health vocabulary together. Thank you for learning English with us. See you again soon.